Everyone, by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lumapang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
This is level 3 and number 3. Declare one value to multiple variables. And A, B, A plus B and equals double quote ECT and double quote and print close parenthesis open parenthesis and two quote is quote and single quote A B B V C C S another C and this the assignments the same value ACT to all three variables E, B, and C. Kaya the assigns the same value ACT to all three variables E, B, and C. Kaya ito na lahat yung code natin. Kaya i-try natin i-run ang code natin. Yan lahat. Yan ang output ng ginawang code natin.